In the skeletal muscle, there are many layers of connective tissue. It starts off with the muscle being covered with epimysium. Once again, this prevents friction between the bones and tendons. In the fasciculae, a bunch of muscle fibre, there is perimysium containing many other fibres. These are then covered in endomysium, which protect them. The tendon is where the muscles connect to the bone. It also connects the muscle to the joint for the muscle to do their main function, which is the free movement. In the attachments of muscles, there are origins and insertions. The origin muscle is the attachment part that does not move when the muscle is contracting. This is different to the insertion, as this is the attachment part that is moving when the muscle is contracting. Blood vessels in the skeletal muscles are essential because they contain oxygen. Muscle cells need oxygen to stay alive, therefore the capillaries, which is a type of blood vessel, provides us oxygen as the capillaries' main function is gas exchange. When an impulse gets sent from the brain in order for the skeletal muscle to function, they go down sensory motor neurons where signals pass to the endomysium of the muscle that enables the muscle to work. As your skeletal muscles are controlled by you, they tire easily as more forces get pushed onto them. There are many roles in the human body for muscles to actually work. There are 6 main roles, which are agonist, antagonist, synergist, fixators, origin and insertion. Firstly, muscles work in pairs. Where a movement is taking place, 2 muscles are actually doing a job. One of these is agonist. This is the muscle that shortens when a movement is happening. They are also known as prime movers. These provide a force where it contracts. On the other hand, the other job of the movement is the antagonist. This is the muscle where it lengthens but relaxes to slow down the contraction when an impulse is finished. It is also a protection so the agonist is not injured. For example, when lifting weights, the bicep brachii will be the agonist and the tricep brachii will be the antagonist, as shown on the diagram. Synergists are muscles that basically make the agonist much more stronger as they give movement. They are located on each end of the agonist, as shown on the diagram. Fixators are muscles which prevent joints from working when someone does not want a movement to happen. These are located around the tendons. The origins and insertions are just attachment parts of muscles where the origin doesn't move when a muscle is contracting. Then insertion does move when the muscle is contracting. This is to support our body when movements are being told to make. Therefore, doing a sport such as weightlifting will involve all these roles.